Welcome to our channel. Welcome to this family house where everybody is somebody. Guys, if you're just tuning in for the first time, you're just seeing my video for the first time, my name is Medilock, and on this channel we talk about simple solution to life, and we discuss virtually anything that gives us simple solution to life. Why not subscribe to us today? Subscribe to our channel and let us be together as one family. Yes, guys, always remember to give me a thumbs up whenever you watch my video. It means a lot to me. Okay, all right. This hour we want to talk about how to neutralize negative effect of our association with others through sex. Yes, because I just want to mention that one in particular today, because lots and lots of people have been calling me since I uploaded that video on spiritual implication of sex. If you have not watched that video yet, please endeavor to watch that video, Spiritual Implication of Sex by Medilock. Yes. So guys, this morning I want to explain to us again, or add one or two things that will help us to understand the concept of what we discussed and how to use alligator pepper. Yes. Now we are going traditional. This is not this is an African tradition. Yes, this one I'm discussing right now is something that has been in practice and it has been working, but since it is a traditional something and it is a native knowledge, a lot of people want to be like Oyibo. A lot of people want to go with modernization. They will discard. They say, this one is primitive idea, this one is primitive knowledge, and then they discard it, and then they would perish in their ignorance. Yes, we have different levels of ignorance. Yes, some are spiritually ignorant, some are knowledge. In fact, so many types of ignorance. You understand? So when you see something that is being practiced by people, instead of you to ignorantly wave it aside, why not study it? Why not investigate it? You understand? You try to look at it, to see how true it is. You understand? So this will help you to give you understanding of what the concept of that thing is before you discard it. When I uploaded that video, I mentioned something. I mentioned two solutions to the problem that we incur through sexual relationship with others. Because I said, by reason of your association with some people, you will start noticing some retrogressive progression. Retrogressive movement in your life. You start moving backward. Yes, you start falling down. Your business will go down. Your career will go down. Even educationally, socially, you begin to see some setbacks in your life because you're associated with certain people. And even for ladies, some, you will get married and you will not be able to have children. Why? Because one man somewhere must have taken your children, through the sexual association you had with him. So, in order to neutralize this kind of problem, that is what I want to tell us this morning. This type of problem, yes, they exist. Yes. Whether you wave it aside, waving a problem aside does not solve that problem. And it does not cover the fact. Yes. It will not cover the fact that problem is not existing.
Simple solutions to life. Simple solution.
You're welcome back. Yes, you're welcome back. Guys, see, it is very simple. This simple spiritual exercise can save you a lot of pains in life. Just get alligator pepper, spiritual alligator pepper. Yes, there are different types of alligator pepper. There are fake one and there are original one. Okay, and there are some alligator pepper that are spiritually potent. Okay, so get alligator pepper. When you feel you must have had, gone to bed with persons that you are not supposed to go to bed with, or you feel your association with them sexually is bringing some downfall. In fact, let me tell you guys one thing. You don't even need to wait until you start noticing downfall in your business or some kind of problem start rising in your life before you do it. Some people, because they have this knowledge, you can't take them unawares. You understand? Both male and female. After having any relationship with somebody, someone, they will just, casually do it. How do you do it? That is why, that's even the cardinal point why I'm shooting this video, because some people don't know how they say you only mention alligator pepper. You did not explain how it can be used, to actually cleanse ourselves from this problem. Guys, whether you deny it or you accept it, lots and lots of people have this problem. Yes, except you are an Enoch. Yes, even some are having this problem right in their matrimonial home. Yes, you marry some kind of wife like that there is something living inside her body. Whenever you sleep with her, you're sleeping with that thing. Yes, you've not undergone any special deliverance. You just saw her, you love her, you're swept off your feet, and then you go and marry such a woman. You did not make your spiritual investigation to seek the mind of God concerning that particular person. You know nothing. The only thing you know are her hips and her boobs. You don't know anything spiritually. And the spiritual controls the physical. Even that man that is parking in front of your father's house with G-Wagon, with millions of dollars in his account, that is spoiling you, taking you to Dubai, taking you to different places, vacation. The lowest alert you have ever received from him is 100K. You will not think twice. You marry him. You marry such a man, and then when you enter the house, some things will start pursuing you throughout the house. You start seeing things that you cannot explain. God help you if you make it alive to explain. So going into any relationship with anybody, you have to spiritually investigate it to know whether this thing is okay or not. Okay, all right. Before I do the demonstration, let me show you guys anti-cancer. You understand what I mean by anti-cancer? This particular product is that if your mother died of breast cancer, your father died of prostate cancer, your auntie, people are being affected, not only breast cancer, any form of cancer, whether it is colon C, because if you go to hospital, you have colon cancer, they will say it's colon C. They give you that name so that you will not panic. All sort of cancer. You understand? This will take care of it. Okay? maybe when I come back in the evening or something, I will try to upload a video on how to actually prepare this. You understand? Very simple. Very, very simple. And you take it, you save yourself, you save your loved ones the agony of losing you, of going through that cancerous pain. Even if you're already cancerous, you already have cancer, you can still take this to dry it up. There is nothing that God cannot do. Yes, guys. And then this is back to sender. Now we have different container for it. It's just a herb. Everything that we sell on this channel, they are all natural product but spiritually potent. This you can see is a herb. You understand? All you need to do is just take a pinch of it like this. Add to your water, clean bathing water, and then you pray over it. Time will not permit me. I would have told you the story of this back to sender in my own family house. Yes, but maybe that is another story for another day. Okay? I must tell you guys that story so that you will know what I'm saying. And some of you who have bought this back to sender, a lot of people are reaching out to me. A woman in Amsterdam was healed of madness. This lady has been having mental problem for 10 years. But they use this back to sender to be bathing her. They'll be pouring the water from her head down to her toe. Now the lady is normal from October last year till now. You see? So they've gone, somebody in Amsterdam, don't they have access to standard hospital? It defied science. So it is whatever that defied science. That is what we handle on this channel. Yes. Anything that science cannot unravel, then that thing is spiritual. And me, I am concerned with spiritual aspect. I'm not concerned with physical. So if you're having physical problem, please don't call me. Okay? But if you're having anything spiritual, just give me a call. Okay? All right. Guys, get your alligator pepper. You put your hands at the back like this, and then you open it. Once you're able to open it, then you bring it to the front. When you bring the alligator pepper to the front, you remove one seed of the alligator pepper, put it in your mouth, chew it. That says swallow it. I say chew it, let it be in your mouth. The thing is that alligator pepper, the way our forefathers use it, and even our parents use it, because my mom, she's into all these herbs. So I know how she uses alligator pepper, and I see it as, until I came to YouTube, and I saw that it is something special. It is, to us, it is a normal thing. You understand? So you put alligator pepper in your mouth. The essence of putting alligator seed in your mouth and chewing it before you say anything is because alligator pepper amplifies. It is a traditional thing. God has already given it that power. No matter how Oyibo or whoever is coming to say, hey, this, that, this is diabolic, that is diabolic. Anything people don't understand, they give it name. And whatever they understand, they destroy. Yes. So it depends on your own discretion. If you want to set yourself free, you can use this. Okay? All right. Okay. So, guys, when you bring it out, you put it in your mouth, you chew it, then you now put one, you carry one, you point it around your body like this. You say, whatever it is that I must have acquired through my sexual intercourse with so person, or so and so, let that power be broken. Let that power be neutralized from my body. You keep it in a safe place. Then you carry another one. You use 3 alligator pepper to do cleansing. Touch it from your hair, all over your body down. The seed will be in your hand. You drop it. Don't let it fall down. Anyone that falls down, don't use it again. Okay? So while you are doing this 3 times, the one in your mouth that you have chewed is still inside your mouth. You have not swallowed it. Okay? When you finish doing this, you will now carry the 3 seeds. The one in your mouth, you swallow it, because I know some people will still come and be asking me. You swallow that one in your mouth, but the 3 that you have used for cleansing, you go and drop it where a woman will not cross. Because if a woman cross it, it is broken. You understand? You can put it near a wall where no human leg can touch, or you keep it on top of a wall. You understand? So that at least not even on the floor, nobody can step on it. Just keep it in a place where nobody, don't flush it. Don't flush it in the toilet. So guys, please, if this video was helpful, to you in any way, please subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, and share my video with your friends and family. Thank you, and I love you all. See you again in my next video. Bye.